I hope you guys are doing well and your spirits are up, you're studying hard, and you're staying safe. So, see, this is precisely the time when you realize how important computer science is to the world. ये वीडियोस चल रहे हैं, आपको डेटा मिल रहा है. This is all because there are some programmers who are working, and I see you as the future of this IT industry. So, all of you had, or some of you had the question, what does this num cases here mean? ये num cases क्या है? So, just to clarify, this video is about this. So, what is num cases all about? So, if you open the file that I had sent in a notepad, what you see is these individual entries. Okay. Now, what are these entries? These are individual updates. So, this COVID data is basically list of all updates district wise. So, for example, in Fatehpur on 24th May, there was an update that 5 cases were added. So, this is this bulletin. So, and the link to this bulletin is this. So, you can literally copy this and you can paste it here. So, you can see the data has been sourced from the bulletin released on 24th. So, for each district, for each state, for each day, there is a bulletin. कि आज फतेहपुर में 5 cases increase हुए. So this num cases is all about that. And as you can see, it varies. So in Kannauj on 24th May, you found out that 6 cases had increased. Then if you go further, you'll find other details as well. So this number of cases is basically the number of patients detected in that particular update. So in the notes also you can find 15 in quarantine center, 11 in Surat, local case in home quarantine. Okay. And also there is a twist. I want you to tell me what date range is available. So if you can see all these updates are for 24th of May. So I hope you got the crux of it. The num cases is basically number of cases updated in that particular bulletin. So if you are able to decode this, I'll send you a larger chunk of data. So this is just 1 MB of data. I'll send you 90 MB of data that contains the whole data of, let's say, 1 month or so. And but you know, the problem is it takes time to work on it. That is why I have given you a small subset. Find out number of cases in that particular date, and then we'll proceed to next. So I hope you got what num cases is. So in short, num cases, this one entry is basically an update for each district, and how many patients increased in that update is this. ये एक लिस्ट है जिसमें आपको हर जो नोटिफिकेशन आता है कि आज इतने केसेस बढ़े. सो आज ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए, ये स्टेट के ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए ये तारीख को कितने पेशेंट्स बढ़े. कुछ कुछ केसेस में 1, कुछ कुछ केसेस में 5. तो ये नम केसेस वो है. ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड स्टे सेफ. And I also request you to be sincere with your classwork because you know the job market is going to get tough after Corona, and only the best are going to get the job. So make sure you study hard, you learn new skills, and if you have any questions, any queries, you can post it in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much.